Hello, Komal. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
So, Komal, please tell me about yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Komal Venkatrao Munde. I am from Udgir. I did my graduation in ENTC from Savitribai Phule Pune University. I belongs to nuclear family. My strength are I am a self-motivated, hardworking, and disciplined person. Um, my short-term goal are I my short sorry sir my short-term goals are I get a I get a job in a good company, and my long-term goal are to achieve a good position and where I can build my career and help the organization too. My hobbies are cooking and listening music. That's all about me, sir.
So, Komal, why you are changing your current organization?
So my neighbors are doing web development class in some no, sir. Mm, I saw their work in their when they are working in IT company. So I am quite interested in that web development field. So that's why I am switching my uh, trade from ENTC to IT. Mm.
Okay. So, what is the difference between HTML and HTML5?
HTML in a HTML, audio and video tags are not present. In HTML5, audio and video tags are present. HTML5 support all old application, all old browser, and HTML5 support all new browsers. And HTML5 in HTML, doc type declaration are so long. In HTML5, doc type declaration is not so large. It's small. And not possible to draw in a HTML. Not possible to draw shapes like triangle, circular, and rectangular. In HTML5, we can it possible to draw a triangle, circle, and rectangular. And in HTML, there are no semantic tags are present. In HTML5, there are semantic tags are present. Okay, sir.
What is difference between inline and block element?
Inline element and block element, no, sir. Okay. Inline element it occupies inline. Sorry, sir. In inline element, it occupies width equal to its content. In a block element, it occupies width equal to its parents. In inline element, we can apply margin in only two direction, left and right. In a block level element, in a block element, we can apply margin in a four direction, top, bottom, left, right. And inline element start in same line. In block element start in different line.
What is box sizing?
Box sizing. So it gives height and width to box, not to its margin and padding is not applied.
Actually, box sizing decides height and width of the
Ah,
HTML element. Which
yes, sir.
which things should be included in height and width?
Yes, sir.
What is the by default value of box sizing?
By default value, 15 pixel. No, sir, it's not box sizing. It's about container. No, sir. I didn't.
What is box model?
Box model. The box model means container, padding, all these things. Content padding.
Yes, correct.
Sir. Box model means content, padding, margin, and border are present in that model. Sir, explain करायचं का पूर्ण?
Yes, yes.
Sir. So in content, information is stored in a HTML inside HTML element. Padding, padding it space. It creates space between content and border, and border. Border is border separate margin and padding, and margin is outside the space outside the HTML element. Space occupied by HTML element outside the border.
What are the CSS positions we have?
CSS positions, inline. So in a CSS, there are 3 positions: inline, internal, and external.
CSS positions.
CSS positions. Okay, sir. Sorry. There are static. 4 type of positions are present in CSS. First is static, second is fixed, third is sticky, fourth is relative, and absolute.
What is position sticky?
Sticky means um, if user scroll down page, then that means it is sticky. Scroll down of page.
Basically, sticky is the hybrid of position relative and fixed.
Sir.
When users scroll the screen, that element is scroll up to some certain point, and after that it will become a fix.
Yes, sir.
Right? Fix to viewport.
Yes, sir.
What are the CSS selector we have?
CSS selectors. In a CSS selector, there are 3 type of CSS selectors. 4 type of CSS selectors: tag, ID, class, and attributes.
Okay. What is universal selector?
So it gives all elements in. Sorry, sir, I don't know about proper definition. Universal selector.
How to represent the universal selector?
So, please, can you repeat this question? Hello.
Yes. How
Sorry.
to how to write CSS universal selector?
By using star.
Okay. And what does this universal selector select?
Also, all the elements which are present in HTML page, we can apply with the help of that universal selector. We can apply all CSS to all that elements.
Okay. Okay. Correct. Very good. What is difference between pseudo class and pseudo element?
Pseudo class and pseudo elements. Okay. It specifies state of element. Pseudo class is it specify uh, state of element, and in a pseudo element style style uh, uh, 1 minute, sir. Sorry, sir. In a pseudo class, a special state of element is present. In pseudo element, um, style specify um, some part of element. With the help of style, specify some part of elements like that. And in pseudo class, over focus, link, and active, these classes are present. In pseudo element, there are after, before, and these these two elements are present.
What are the data types we have in JavaScript?
Yes, sir.
What are the data types we have in JavaScript?
In JavaScript, we have two data types, one primitive and other is non-primitive. In primitive data types, there are five types are present: string, number, boolean, null, and undefined. And in non-primitive data types, there are function, uh, object, class, and array. These are the types of non-primitive. Primitive holds the value of a declaration, and non-primitive holds the reference of a declaration.
What is hosting?
Hosting all the declaration of our scope get shifted top of the scope. That process is called as a hosting.
What is quotient?
Quotient, the automatic conversion of a one data type into another data type, that called as a correlation.
Okay. I have passed a statement in chat section.
Yes, sir.
What will be the output of that statement?
Sir, one is number, other is string, and third one is number. Then this addition is going to convert into string, because number is converted into string, but string is not converted into number.
That is not a string. True is a boolean.
So, 8 minutes. Yes, sir. Sorry. True is a boolean. Then, sir, it will true gives a one, and then it converted into number. Then final get output 21.
Okay, perfect. Yes. What will the output of?
Sir, it will 10, 10, 10, because 10 is a string. It will 10, 20, 10.
2010. Perfect.
Yes.
Very good. Yes. What will the output of this?
So it will 2010 10.
10. Okay, the portion will happen in this case, but in reverse direction, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. What is function?
Function. A function is nothing but a relationship between input and output. Function is a block of a code which is used to do functionality on its element.
Okay. What is object?
Object. Okay. Where we can store multiple relative information in the form of key and value pair, that called as object.
What is array?
Array, where we can store multiple information on the basis of index, is called as array.
What is this keyword?
It it always pointed towards its closest parent.
Closest parent, what?
Closest closest parents.
Closest parent object.
Object. Yes, sir. Object.
What is difference between undefined and not defined?
Undefined and not defined. Undefined, we have declared declaration is a defined but not assign any value, is called as the undefined. But we have not declared yet, that means not defined. Declaration is not defined yet, it's called as not defined.
What is scope?
Scope. Availability and accessibility of a declaration, it's called as a scope.
Okay, Komal. So I have done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Sir,